Proposition 23. Our current paradigm offers up a best guess as to the predicted nature of the Big Bang. Our best guess includes a starting temperature around 10 to the power of 32 Kelvin. That means taking the hottest quasar and multiplying its temperature by 1 billion squared. 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 Kelvin. Yet it offers no explanation for any type of event that could elicit such a temperature. It also claims that all the matter in the visible universe was contained inside an unimaginably constricted space. It also claims there was a brief period of time as this expanded that it was able to violate the speed of light during a period of rapid inflation where literally every watt of energy in the universe that by law cannot break a speed limit was magically given a microsecond free pass to break the laws of nature. Remove the singularity from the equation, and the starting size of our initial universe, instead of being incomprehensibly small, could be much closer to the approximate size of the initial CMB, and would not have needed as long to cool. Instead of 380,000 years of cooling, maybe there was 380,000 weeks, or even days of cooling, to get down to the 3,000 Kelvin recorded when our CMB formed during recombination.